Guys, this storm is crazy. Flooding there. Flooding the road. Bro!
All of the cars have to go to the
Shush!
houses, Mikey. Oh, they have to go.
So my viewers can hear the thunder.
Well, all of those cars have to go, Mikey. And why are they going so fast?
Shush! You just probably made the viewers miss it.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Bro! This is mild. Like, look what happens when a car drives by on the road.
Yeah, even American Street is flooded. I don't know if
Look at the car,
Mason
look at the
Street
car.
is flooded.
Watch the cars come back. Look at the flags, bro.
Well, Mikey.
They might not be able to hear the thunder. Well, that car is actually cool.
Yeah. Ooh, that was ugly. Mikey.
you
Look
guys
at these,
can
that's a tornado. Shall we touch the metal? No, we have to stay away from the road.
Excuse me. Stop, I'm making a video.
I'm searching for Father's car. I see Father's car. Father's here.
Bombadillo crocodilo. Bombadillo crocodilo.
Whoop, whoop. Daddy's here, Daddy's here, Daddy. The lights in the
Anyways, everyone, bye bye.